The brand, it's quite famous, and as we all know, this is one of the very few brands which have the license from Ferrari. So there's a slight compromise on the size of the vehicle. Let's open this and have a look what's inside. Okay, it comes packed in a polythene bag, which is not that impressive, but what we have inside is nice. So far we have got our Ferrari right in front of us, and this is one of the famous LaFerraris. The detail level is nice. Having a look, it says Takara Tomy, made in Vietnam. Scale is 1:62, and product under license. It doesn't really mention the name of the vehicle here like most of the Hot Wheels, but the detail level on the diecast is quite nice. We have got the Ferrari logo at the back, and we have got these things, the active aerodynamics. We have got the tailpipes, and the tail lights are quite detailed. As for the wheels, let me check. I mean, yeah, they are plastic, not exactly rubber, and I don't really like the design on those rims. Should have been better. We have got a small Ferrari logo here. We have got a Ferrari logo here. The front headlights, they are very well detailed. You can see the air vents inside. You can see the engine, which would have been nice if they had written Ferrari on it. But yeah, overall they have still done a very good job. There's a Ferrari written here as well. So I would say it's a very nice casting. They need to work on the wheels. The headlights, the tail lights, they are very nice. The wheels, not really. I mean, they should really focus on the wheels. Love the casting. Maybe if I can open this up like all the Hot Wheels, I'll just change the wheels on this one. Maybe that should be done, and it should be slightly lower. It does come with suspension, which is quite new. Let me show you. See, you can actually do this to the car. The rear end can also be dropped, and it looks better when it's like this instead of this. So yeah, it comes with an active suspension, and yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and so this is the Takara Tomy. If you like the video, please do subscribe, and leave me a few comments so I can improve the next video, and do let me know what you want me to review next time. Thanks for watching.